sort of fleek this room.
Did you bath? You didn't bath before this.
Did you brush?
You didn't bath before this video.
Brush?
Why are you attracting flies now? Look at the fly now.
Yeah. His mouth is here. Come. His mouth is here.
No, we need to get rid of it.
No, baby, that's not gonna work. We need fly spray.
Yeah, get the fly spray now.
Welcome back to our channel.
Ayo and Ayope.
Ogbemi and Ayope.
And together we are called
Ayope.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes.
Did you miss us?
Well, the only answer is yes. The only answer is yes, please.
If you missed us, let us see a yes in the comments. Say, yes, I miss you, my lovelies.
Right.
Guys, we are excited, we are happy as usual to be here, to be shooting this video just for you, okay? We have something interesting. As you can see, Ayope is already laughing.
No, because you're excited. But the funny thing, the excitement is that you want Mama exposed.
Why do you always try to speak this Yoruba?
And why do you always try to speak this English?
So I can't speak English. I don't understand. English is my native language. Native. Okay. Native.
Me too. Yoruba is my native language.
I don't know why you're always speaking. Normally she doesn't speak Yoruba like this, so she tries. Even Maya, even Michaela and Maya, our daughters, speak better Yoruba than Ayope.
No.
Maybe one day we should do a Yoruba challenge.
We should actually do a Yoruba challenge because you will fail woefully. Woefully.
I'll teach you Yoruba, don't worry.
No, I don't want to.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have something good for you today, okay? And as you can see, we have our magic hat.
Ooh.
Our magic.
When you see this hat, you should know what it means.
Our magic hat is back, okay? And so yeah, what are we doing today?
Today we are doing the who is most likely to challenge.
Is it who is most or who is more? There's two people. So when you're English, when you're comparing two things, ladies and gentlemen, what is it? More. When you're comparing more than two, then it's most. So what is the title of?
And simple enough, basically, it's either me.
Oh yeah. Or me. Or oh my god, there's a fly here.
I know, it's making noise. Like
it's either me or Ayope. Can you guys see it?
Yeah, put it close. Yeah.
Oh, okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and start this game. Who is going first? Ladies first, as usual.
I knew, but we're gonna change it up. Gentlemen first.
Okay, gentlemen. As a gentleman, you listen to the lady. Okay, so not too bad. Let us see.
Right. Should I help you read it? Should I help you read it?
Let me read.
Maybe there's some big English words there.
Who is more likely to do a bungee jump?
What?
Who is relax now?
No,
wait, the rush.
Because I already know.
Who is more likely to do a bungee jump? 5, 6, 7, 8. What?
Wait, first of all, you had the audacity, the actual audacity to put me. You think you?
So is it you?
You can't, baby.
Is it you?
Even to jump start the car, you just feel.
No, wait now.
It's neither. That's why I put my hand. That's why I put nothing.
No, somebody is more likely to. Out of the both of us,
as equally as scared as each other. It's not me. It's not you.
Baby. You are scared, right?
And you are.
There's a level of. I'm going to be scared.
You are scared.
There's a level of fear, right? To do. I'm not that adventurous, okay? And we've said this many times. But who is more likely to do it?
Baby,
would be me.
It's neither of us. Okay, it's Mickey. It's Mickey, it's Maya.
To be honest, I don't think I can do that bungee jump.
I can't.
It's just you're just risking your life.
It's as you like you're just dangling.
It's a risk of life.
I can't.
Which other one is there? There's bungee jump,
there's skydiving, all of them.
That skydiving is the worst.
I can't. Even thinking about it is giving me chills. It's just, No,
but what would just make somebody just wake up one day and just say, I want to go to the sky and dive and literally almost kill myself?
But there's this thing that we actually want to do, or I want to do. What? But you have not. Anyway, maybe let's see if you'll do it in front of camera. I want us to go for dinner in the sky.
Look, literally, she showed me one photo. Dinner. I dare you to go
I'm going to
this dinner with the sky, because I'm not going to go with I'm not going to go.
Trust me,
I'm not going to follow you to any dinner in the sky.
By the time I pay the price, you two, you'll be like, I have to go because you don't want to waste money.
Well, man, let the money waste. Like, I saw some photos, like literally these guys are eating in the, literally their feet are not even touching the floor.
It's an experience.
Their feet are hanging out in the air. Why?
Like,
why would you do so?
And you want to throw the food away, like, you know. Does it?
So what you think? So the food enough? The food enough? Or no, I can't even do any such things. Like, because I'm scared of. Look at this one. In fact, let's move on to the next question. This one that cannot fly, ordinary small plane. I'll show you now when we are flying. Anyways, you can't do anything. You can't do anything.
Okay.
Height. Even the little Eiffel Tower that we went to, you guys saw the video. She was crying, saying Jesus.
I like Jesus. I like to call his name.
I do your question, Joe.
Who is most likely to write a bestseller, as in a bestseller book?
I mean, I can't shout.
I can't shout.
5.
I get
6,
mount.
7, 8. Are you joking?
Are you joking?
Stop now.
Baby, every time you do a WhatsApp, is it not me that does the editing for you?
WhatsApp?
Yes. So talk less of a book. What are you gonna do?
Bestseller, baby. I'm a better writer now.
Baby, me too.
No, you write well. You're okay. You're decent.
Baby.
I'm a better.
Okay, we'll see.
And you guys know, if you guys follow us on Instagram, right? I do a lot of write-ups, like literally long posts. I remember recently my friends were making fun of me, saying that. Stop now. Who's most likely to write a bestseller? Let's answer the question.
Okay, if you look at
I love you. You're okay.
Baby,
you're okay.
I love you too, and you're not even that okay, but I still love.
No, your writing is fine. Like, but literally, I write better because I write more engaging stuff.
I write more engaging stuff as well.
I put the humor in it.
Me too.
Maybe you write some grammar because obviously, Mama, Queen, and all of that.
It's not about that. It's about
put in
carrying your readers along.
I was thinking that we do a challenge. We both write a book, right? In fact, about the same topic. We release the book the same time and see how many people have the. Should we challenge ourselves?
We challenge ourselves.
The same topic.
The same time.
Same time we release.
Same day.
So literally, you're now my competition for this. I remember, what film was that where the husband and wife were competing with each other?
Do you remember Nollywood?
Yeah, what movie was that?
Omoni Oboli and
R&D. Something about governor, isn't it?
Love and War.
Love and War. So love and war between us. Let's do this. Oh, is that a good thing?
No.
Love and love. Sorry, we don't do war here.
Exactly.
Only love. Okay, but I'm more likely.
Okay, we'll see. We'll see.
A bestseller. Okay, you guys will see in the future. Watch out. Who is more likely to become a vegetarian?
There's no question here.
Answer.
1,
Anyways, let's answer.
2,
5, 6, 7, 8.
Wow.
So how are you? Wait. How are you more likely to become a vegetarian?
Let me tell you.
How are you more likely to become a vegetarian? Because.
Wait. Let me tell you. Who?
Because.
Wait. Okay. So you guys know that Ayo has mentioned this story many times about when I brought jollof rice with no meat. Let me tell you, it's gotten worse in marriage. This guy, when I put his food on a plate, I dare not put 2 meats. This guy eats like 5-6 meats. He eats like 5-6 meats in one go, and I'll be like, baby, show little Yenny. He's like, I'm the daddy of the house now. I'm the daddy of the house now.
No. There's nothing like that. 2 things, right? I used to be a lover of meat and all of that. And I remember, I don't know if I've said it before, but growing up, right, my mom would serve my dad, right, in a bowl of literally meats, like 6 or 7. And then my mom would give me and my brothers just 1 meat, in fact half. You know those meat that like
Shaki.
She give us 1 meat, and I was looking at, I see my daddy enjoying. And I said, when I become a daddy, I must enjoy meat like this. So as soon as I became a daddy,
no, sometimes it causes fight sometimes. Sometimes people are like, why this just bone now? This just bone.
But so in terms of doing or moving or switching to vegetarian or not, I do like my greens, right? And I have been to a few vegetarian.
Wait.
I told you when I was up north, right? I told you I went to a few vegetarian restaurants.
Ayo counts F4 as greens. F4 with all the meat inside it. He calls that greens.
Sorry, is F4 no greens?
He calls that.
Is it not spinach? Is it not greens?
What did I have for
dinner? And then I like my avocado.
What did I have for dinner?
Recently, she's been eating some funny foods. That's why she thinks she can.
No.
She will do corn flour and some rubbish.
Corn flour.
And she thinks she can be vegetarian.
I like kale. I like eggs.
Carry go.
I can have a meal without meat or fish. Can you?
That's poverty. Why would you be having a meal without meat or fish? No. Ladies and gentlemen, are you still here? Why are you always trying to look at the question? I'm going to read it out.
I'm having no sense.
That's how she's always trying to read my text messages.
No text messages. Hi, mommy.
Okay. Who is more likely to lose? Who is more likely to lose a wallet or purse? Okay.
Ready, steady. Ready?
Relax now.
No, because it's so easy.
Ready, steady.
No, is it how many times that person is likely to, or who is more likely
to
okay,
lose
so we'll state
a
the
wallet
times.
or purse?
We'll state the times.
5, 6, 7, 8.
You dare. You dare. I don't even like talking about this because the amount of things. Anyway, how many times have you lost your wallet?
Just how many times I've lost my wallet once.
Baby.
And it was stolen.
Baby, you've lost your wallet 3 times.
Okay, no, I've lost
3 times.
I've lost my wallet once. It was twice actually.
Okay,
twice.
keep on counting.
Twice. One was stolen. The other one, was
stolen.
It was stolen now.
From where?
What do you mean from where? It was stolen from the train.
Stolen from the train.
On the tube. They robbed me.
That's a nice.
It was gunpoint.
No.
No, it was gunpoint.
No, baby, stop.
Then the other time, I can't remember what happened. I lost it on the bus, innit?
Exactly.
But they found it for me. Luckily for me.
They found it for you.
Yeah, did they found it for you?
Did they find it?
Jesus. Yes, they found
and you better not put anything there and put like Jesu or anything.
I'll put Tabo.
If you dare, baby.
They found it for me now. And that was one of my designer wallets, innit? What? Why are you laughing? I bought you your first designer purse now. In fact, your current purse too.
No, actually.
You didn't even know what designer was before you met me.
Please.
You didn't even know what designer.
Oh, calm
now we always tell you that when you want
calm down.
That video was hilarious.
Calm down.
And you know, I was telling Ayope me that. Sorry, we're just diving out. I was telling Ayope me that Michaela can actually be like this.
Because she actually.
Michaela can be.
Mommy, you can be angry. Calm down.
Will you be angry? Michaela, you will be angry.
Will you be angry?
You need to tell me. Promise me you won't be angry. Promise me. So let me calm down, right?
Calm down.
Now, what was I saying? I was talking about
exactly. You don't remember. Oh, yeah.
No, I was talking about the DKNY, like the purse.
What does DKNY?
Now, relax.
What does DKNY stand for?
Stop now.
What does DKNY? Mr. Designer.
Relax. DKNY. I don't even see DKNY as a designer.
Yeah, but what does it stand for?
I want to draw out a lesson from here now, so that at least somebody will learn something from this video.
Baby, if you can get what DKNY stands for the no questions asked for the rest of the year.
DKNY. I would say NY. You say DK. New York. What does DK stand for?
Baby, you don't know what it means.
I just told you NY stands for New York.
Baby,
what does DK stand for?
Baby, you don't know what it means. You don't know what it means.
How do I know?
Whatever.
Guys, let me quickly say this story.
Okay,
basically,
let me just
we've
help
said
you
that.
Ministry. Donna Karen.
Duh. Anyways, it actually skipped my mind. Let me tell you something about when you're buying gifts, right? And we've said it before. When you want to get your spouse or your loved one a gift, right? You need to be observant.
Yeah.
Now, you could ask them, what do you want? But I usually don't like doing that. So I observed that this purse needed to be changed, okay? And what did I do? I went and I changed it. God has something really flashy. You know, DKNY has this gold stuff and everything. Very nice. But guess what? She lost that purse.
No, I didn't.
You lost it. What do you know you did? Where is it then?
Baby, I got a new one. I didn't lose the purse.
So what happened to the purse?
It got worn out. I used it very well.
For how many years?
Baby, you think I'm like you? I don't lose stuff.
No, I think you lost the purse.
No. Who is most likely to spend all their money on something stupid?
5, 6, 7, 8. Good.
Oh, sorry. No. Sorry, I changed my answer. It's because this thing. What's your?
What do you mean you change your answer?
It's you.
Sorry, what? Tell me what stupid thing I've spent my money on.
Okay, let me tell you the story now. Yeah. I've got you. So my husband went out to, I don't even know where he went. No, you were going to Blue Water is what you said. I feel like we go to Blue Water. Every one of our stories is to do with Blue Water. Anyway.
Sorry, for those that are not in the UK, right? Blue Water is a
shopping mall.
Okay, like the likes of, can you name one in America? Let me know that you've been somewhere.
Macy's.
Name a shopping mall. Macy's. Which other one do you know?
Macy's is not a shopping mall. See?
You see? I wanted to catch you too. Macy's is a designer outlet, not a shopping mall. Tell me shopping mall in America that you've been to. If you've not been, let me take you there. Be humble. Anyways, say your story.
I can't deal with you. Anyway, so he took a long time, came back home, and when he came back home, he said, baby, I don't know what happened. Honestly, I started to suspect this guy from that day on. So, baby, I don't know what happened. One salesperson started talking to me. I think he jazzed me. Because I bought all of this. If you see all the things that he bought, it was like spa treatment, skin products. He came home genuinely concerned. He's like, baby, I don't know what happened. Maybe they jazzed me. I had to ask him the price. When I heard the price, God, I said
the price was actually ridiculous.
You need deliverance. So what happened that day for real? So
because of that, I'm now the one that is likely to spend my money on spiritual.
Was that thing useful?
How many times?
Was that thing useful?
Funny enough, I did use it though.
Yeah, by force, because you felt like they had scammed you.
You know, it was salespeople are very dangerous. Run away from them. So if you're a salesperson, I'm fighting with you. Who is more likely to win an Oscar award?
Well,
ladies and gentlemen,
I'd just like to say thank you to God, to my mom.
No.
I'd just like to thank God because he's the only person that's brought me this far. Secondly,
so is that how you give your Oscar speech?
I'd like to
that is not an Oscar speech.
Secondly, I'd like to thank my husband. Baby, you better get ready to be supportive because
5, 6, 7, 8.
In fact, let go.
Stop, don't hear it now. So what did you put?
Me or
Sweet. Okay, guys, you need to help us answer this question. Who is more likely to win an Oscar award? If you guys have not seen the film, okay, we've done a short film, The Quality Time Wife, okay? Now, you would agree with me that I was the better actor. Now, what? See, you're even attracting flies. Why are you attracting flies?
Why is there a fly here for real?
You'd agree with me that I was the better actor. I am a good guy. I know how many girls are dreaming, they want me. But I'm loyal to you.
Okay.
I'm telling you. I'm turning down a lot of offers.
Well done.
Yes.
Well done. I
am hot in the market.
Okay.
Like literally, my lines, my script, and then I did a lot of spontaneous stuff.
It's true,
right?
When you actually put it like that. Yeah, I agree.
So I'm more likely to win the Oscar.
That was acting. Now that was acting. You actually... That was me acting.
Anyway, then we did, a few other things like, what's that thing called? Men in Church. We did Men in Church. Literally, I played the role of 5 or 6 guys. No, somebody needs to back me up here. I played the role of a nerd. You guys should check it out if you've not seen it. I played the role of a fake prophet kind of guy. I played the role of a rude, arrogant guy. I played the role of a player. And then I played the role of a gentleman. 5 different... and you tell me that I will not win Oscar award.
Okay, let's leave it. Let's leave it to the family. All right, you guys, let us know who is more likely to win an Oscar award out of me and Ayope. Simple.
Why are you leaving it to the family? Speak. So why should you win an Oscar award?
I don't need to speak. See, when Tom Cruise went to get his Oscar award, he didn't need to beg for an Oscar. Okay?
So I don't need to beg.
You're begging for an Oscar. Z-list actor. Z-list actor.
Ladies and gentlemen, last question, okay? I think this has been fun, even though Ayope has been telling a lot of lies.
Wow.
Funny enough, maybe we should do a game that has to do with a lie detector test.
You don't get buzzed.
Because this woman, she said, and you call yourself a woman of God.
I am.
You lie a lot.
Linus.
Linus. Last one, ladies and gentlemen.
For the grand finale.
We do it for the gram. No, we do it for the tube. We're doing it for the tube.
You should not even, because I don't want you to disgrace yourself. No, because your shame is my shame.
Read the question.
Who is more likely to go a week without showering?
Who is more likely to go?
Even, should we say 2 weeks or 3 weeks? Because it's been done before.
5. What do you mean it's been done by
before.
who? 5. Okay, anyways, you're speaking about yourself. 5, 6, 7, 8. No, stop now. Okay, how am I more likely to go a week
You've done it before.
Let me tell you, listen, I grew up in Nigeria, right? And my Niger people will back me up, okay? I grew up in Nigeria. Nigeria is a hot country. In Nigeria, I used to shower 3 times a day. 2 to 3 times a day. So I am actually used to that. I brought that same attitude to the UK, right? And I shower twice a day during the summer. Winter, 1.5.
What's your definition of shower?
Bath.
Like rub and shine.
Stop.
And the only reason the only reason I knew about rub and shine was because of you.
Oh, rub and shine. Rub and shine was what guys did in the boarding house in Nigeria. I did not do it, but guys did it.
Disclaimer.
And I just told you about it. I told you what people in the boarding house did.
Sorry,
I didn't go to the boarding house.
Oh, I assumed. Okay.
I cannot go a day without, but I enjoy water. I enjoy showering.
You cannot go a day, but you can go a week.
No, I actually enjoy bathing, but I think, funny enough, I don't really think you, because, you know, if it was brushing, you can go a week without brushing.
And the funny thing is, there's a fly in here, so I don't know if
the fly is attracted to you. I've said that 2 million times. The fly is attracted to you.
Because I'm so fly.
Ladies and gentlemen, okay, that brings us to the end of this. Who is more likely? What's it called?
Who is more likely challenge?
Who is more likely to challenge? Hope you had fun, okay?
Yeah.
If you are new to the channel, my name is Ayope, and this is my wife, Okpeyemi. I feel like I know she's the most beautiful.
Come on.
I missed the word. I wanted to use one nice English there. But let's take it back. She's the most beautiful, intelligent, gorgeous, smart, God-fearing wife on the planet Earth. And I love her dearly, okay? If you're new to the channel, now would be a good time to subscribe, okay? All we do in this channel is share love, laughter, and some good nuggets for your relationship and your marriage. We have been married by the grace of God for 7 years, ladies and gentlemen. So click the subscribe button if you have any questions, if you need some coaching, whether relationship coaching or marriage coaching, feel free to send us an email, okay, and we'll come to you ASAP, okay, because this is us, this is what we love to do.
Positive vibes only.
Yeah, positive vibes and flies.
I know, like, guys,
can you guys see the flies?
Can you see, like, about? It's really, we have to get it.
Yeah, we have to get it. Let's just end this video ASAP. So subscribe, okay, ignore the flies, okay. Okpeyemi will bath after this video, I promise you. So the next video,
Ayobami will brush his teeth.
The next video we're not gonna
I'll brush the teeth for him.
The next video we're not gonna see any flies, I promise you that. Please try and be bathing now.
Please try.
Even if you don't bath, try and spray perfume. That's how you see.
He's exposed himself. He's exposed himself.
Oh,
just go and spray perfume.
Try and use something. Help your ministry. Anyways, guys, let us sing our welcome song to welcome our new subscribers. We just want to let you know that we love you, okay? And God loves you more. And we want you to stay on, right? Don't unsubscribe. We know some people, they subscribe, then they unsubscribe. But guess what? You still subscribe again.
Yes.
So you might as well not unsubscribe in the first instance, okay? Because this channel will bless you.
Yeah.
And you're not here by accident. Okay, let us sing our welcome song. 5, 6, 7. We're glad you came, we welcome you. We hope you learn a thing or two as you join us on this journey through marriage, faith, and life. We are glad you came. We welcome you. We hope you learn a thing or two as you join us on this journey through Marriage, faith,
life.
marriage, faith, and life say.
Marriage, faith, and life.
Marriage, faith, and life say.
Marriage, faith, and life.
Marriage, faith, and life say. Marriage, faith, and life. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. We hope you stay along and we hope you don't go anywhere. We shall see you in the next video. God bless. Bye bye.